So here it is. I'm putting the communication cable like this. Make sure that each smoke detector, each speakers has the communication cable. So I'm keeping the communication cable like this. Do not avoid any speaker to be connected. Each speaker must be connected with the communication cable. Like this. Yes, it must be like this. So, from here, I'll put the communication cable like this, from here to here. Do not miss out anything. So from here to here, and then from here to this speaker, from here to this speaker, and from this speaker, you can directly go into the fire alarm panel room and try to connect the speakers with the fire alarm and fire alarm and public addressable panel. So I have connected the speakers with the fire alarm panel. Make sure that each speaker has been connected. So for that, make the isolation command, and for that, go into the layer, go to the setting, and make that off. In Peppa's place, we produce that is off. Okay, and when we are trying to lay ISO, isolate the layer so that we can check, we can assure that each and every speakers has been connected with each other. But here, these three speakers has been missed out. So for that, I will do one thing. I'll connect the speakers with the nearest cable. So like this. Make sure connect each speakers like this. So I'm quite sure now that each speakers has been connected. Each speaker has been connected with each other. So this is the looping for the speakers. Then layer ISO command, layer on ISO command, and what I have done is the connected each and every speakers with a communication cable. Now next is try to install the communication cable for smoke detectors. Just I show you. Here again, lock and fade. Okay. This is what I have done. Into the lock and fade. Try to lock this. Again, go to there, lock and fade. So, you can easily see your device only, not the background. Here it is. Yes. Now we can see only our devices. So, speakers has been connected with the communication cable. Same like you need to connect the smoke detectors and the heat detectors. Let us try to connect the smoke detectors with the communication cable. But for this secure communication cable, must have the different color, otherwise it will be mismatch or it will be jumbling on each communication cable. So try to keep the different color for the smoke detector communication cable. Just like I will draw the communication cable, but here I will give the another color like this. I will keep this very smooth and different color for the communication cable which is connecting with the each smoke detectors. So from here I will start like this. Here I will connect the smoke detector like this. Then here to here. Again, I will do here to here. Then here to here. Each smoke detector need to connect by the communication cable like this. From here to here. Make sure for that you can off this communication cable. So what I will do, in the layer I'll make the communication cable for smoke detector. In that, I'll take this color and I'll draw. For that, I will off this communication cable and try to install